How to make a scrunchie. Hello, I'm Catherine from Just Fabrics, and today I'm going to show you how to make a hair scrunchie using the William Morris Strawberry Thief Indigo fabric. You will need some elastic, a pair of scissors, tape measure, thread and a needle, pins and the fabric. Cut the fabric to 56 centimetres by 9 centimetres. Cut the elastic to 22 centimetres. Fold the fabric lengthways, right sides together and pin. At one end, fold back 5mm from the raw edge and pin the fabric. Sew the pinned edges with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Attach the safety pin to one end. Pull the fabric through to turn right side out. Attach the safety pin to the elastic. Hold the elastic at one end and then feed it through the fabric tube. When fully through, tie the elastic into a knot. Fold in the raw edges. Using ladder stitch, join the ends together. Fasten with a couple of back stitches. Cut the excess thread. I hope you enjoyed that make of how to make a scrunchie. As you can see, it's really simple and easy to do at home. Take a look at our website for more inspiration on various craft fabrics you could use, and also lots of how-to guides.